Yo, what's up traders? Welcome back. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a rundown and a breakthrough of what went down today and what I was thinking. So we're back on MES right now. We're gonna be just watching the homie stream and learning as much as I can until I feel comfortable and confident. And for now, I'm just gonna kind of stick with what I'm feeling and what I know. So this morning, here's what I'm thinking, right? You can see we're up 112 for the day. I'm gonna explain what happened and why that took place. First things first, this morning, we had some news here. This was before we woke up and stuff, so dust settled with everything there. Wasn't too worried about that. So nothing crazy with the news this morning. As you can see, we're getting some nice movement, but we're not even in the trade or even thinking about taking a trade. So this morning, here's my idea and here's kind of what my thought process was. Let me get rid of that because that's rowdy. So I'm sitting here looking at the 15-minute, and I woke up early because my kid woke me up, and now if I'm just on one chart and I'm just paying attention to one chart, it's easier to remember what we were doing yesterday and what we had going on, right? So I already know that we had a huge move down. We're coming up here, kind of consolidating, kind of failing to push up, still under VWAP, and this little W wedge formation, and then we broke right here, right? So we broke. When we broke this, it kind of had my attention because we're kind of dancing around VWAP. So I go ahead and look at the 15-minute, and there's a fair value gap here. And so since we're so close right here, I kind of entered right before the, my daughter's back there being wild. I kind of entered before market open, and maybe that was a little bit irrational because it can go any way, but I kind of felt confident that we were going to come down and fill this inefficiency or this one, and this would have been my target for probably my TP2, TP3 if we would have just came down and ripped to it, and I would have been done trading for the day. But we didn't. We came down and we filled this fair value gap right here, and then we got a huge momentum push to the upside, and we engulfed basically this entire thing, just quick fast. You know, we had already had this big sweep, so I'm like, all right, so maybe we came up and swept this. When we tried to push down, we didn't get that. We had the change of character. So I'm feeling good about what's going on here. Now we have a couple here, this change of characters, but you can see the momentum looks like we're kind of pushing back to the upside. So I'm trying to, like, instead of predict the market, I'm trying to like react to what the market is trying to do and and exactly like how it's thinking, like not really how it's thinking, but I'm trying not to predict the market. I'm trying to adjust to what it is telling us it wants to do potentially, and trying to read price action and price movement. So I'm sitting here thinking, all right, well, we just came in and rejected this, and then we had a big old engulfing candle, and we kind of push up, and this is at the market open. So I'm in a trade right here this morning, and you can see it's like boom, okay, go straight to TP1. Now here, when we get this kind of energy and we just kind of dump down within the first 3 minutes, when we hit this, I told myself after we were engulfing right here, so if we come back up towards this, I'm manually going to get out, and I did. I took a break even right here, and instead of sitting here and marrying my bias, I looked to see, okay, we're breaking with volume. I'm a little bit late here, just a little bit. So I actually took, a breakout trade, you could say, because that's kind of what I was like, oh, frick, I'm about to breakout trade right now. I'm not really 100% following my plan, but I remembered that we were following my plan because this change of character and this fair value cap had taken place. I had just not 100% believed that we were going to do that this morning. So I was just trying to be mindful and open, and I woke up a little bit early because my kid woke us up at 5, so went back to bed. So I kind of woke up, and I'm like a little bit jittery and nervous because my account's down, and I'm trying not to think emotional. And yeah, so I took the break even. I can only take 3 trades on my account before to lock itself for the day. I'd really only like to take 2 unless I'm feeling froggy. So I get in here, right? And we get in at this, we come into a little bit of drawdown. And when we hit this TP1 right here, I wasn't convinced to trail up because I didn't like that we just tapped into it. And overall risk is $70 today at this point. And then, so I'm not 100% convinced right here that we're going to, continue immediately without a little bit of a pullback. So I accepted that my risk today was $70. That's what I was looking at. We come down here and I get stopped out under this. I wasn't going under here. I wasn't going under structure right here. I was more so looking right here, and that's my entry. Had I gotten in a little bit more, sure, maybe it would have been under, but at the same time, I feel like this is just kind of filling that efficiency and then rejecting and then continue, like looking to go up. So when we did that and we went up, I tried to freaking record this. I think I ran out of memory on my phone, so I took some screenshots along the way. I'll try to put in there so you can just see. But when we came up here, I was like, okay, I feel a little bit better with this push, but we started to kind of stall out right here. So we come up, you know, and then we have almost this kind of little, you know, this little, it's not quite a hammer because there's a little wick there, but I'm kind of like looking like, okay, we're kind of stalling. And then I see that we're kind of, we're kind of starting to dance here. So I got out right here at around 1.5 R, and that's the return that I was looking, because I'm down on the account quite a bit. Not the trader hub, my bad. Oh, not that one. Jeez, I'm not 100% awake. What do you mean? Get your stuff together. So there we go. We're looking. Yeah, okay, coach. So we're looking here at the trade percent. Slowly, I feel like we're staying kind of consistent here, working on our curve, you know, and I'm really trying to think about my moves here. And obviously, my risk to reward is still a little bit off. And this might not make sense to some of you, but the way that the trades have taken place this morning, it made sense to me because I knew what I was risking after the first trade, and break even was only $70. So at this point, you know, that 100, 110, 120 mark, we're pushing into a positive R. And that's where my headspace was kind of at. Here's the trades if you want to look at them exactly. And I told myself if we were coming down to $100, I'm getting out, because I'm trying to preserve. And I'm not trying to turn a winning day into a losing day, but I also wasn't trying to sit through all of this chop right here. You know what I mean? Because this stuff is just, it's respecting structure, but it's just kind of choppy and a little bit like, I don't really know what I want to do. And so, you know, we would have came up here and trailed. I would have gotten stopped out, and we would have had, you know, a nice little 70 for the day. But trying to read price action and price movement, and really not trying to be married to a bias. So that's what we had for the day. I'm gonna keep it pretty short because a lot of my other videos are pretty long. I just wanted to take a little bit of time. Maybe this pushes up, maybe it just rips. But you know, yesterday, in my opinion, we had this absolutely massive, like this is where, if I would have been on the other side of things, obviously we can get rid of this stuff. But had I been on the other side of this, you know, this is the trade where going to full TP makes sense and it's easy, because it's just gonna just cleanly execute straight there. This right here, sure, maybe it will. Hindsight 2020, looking at an aftermath, you know, it's not looking messy. It's looking pretty similar, but in my opinion, it's not as clean as this. But I'm also not sitting through that right now. I'm sitting through this, excuse me, and I'm paying attention to this, and also trying not to take a big old L on the day, because this kind of movement is like, man, we're borderline consolidating, just kind of edging up higher. So, man, that's the trades for the day. Hopefully we can continue this. I'm going to stay on MES for a while, just because my account size and trying to manage my risk. And I'll probably try to only trade on Redline when I'm up and I'm on my charts and I'm looking good. Hi there. Hi there. And I think that makes a lot more sense. You say hi, YouTube?
Hi, YouTube.
How you doing?
And the alien. Hi, YouTube.
And the alien. Hi, YouTube.
Hi.
So yeah, man, that's the trades for the day. I have a tendency to ramble and stuff here. You do too? That's so awesome. And the alien too? You're the best. You know how much I love you?
Ellen is so tired. He needs to go in at the alien bath.
Oh, okay. We need to put the alien in the bath?
No.
Or in the sleep?
In the sleep.
Okay, the alien's tired and needs to go to sleep. So we'll go ahead and end the video here. Thanks for being with us. We'll see what the rest of the week looks like. See if we can't manage to get that win rate up a little bit more and continue to get the curve back up and get this account where it needs to be. You know, like I said, man, I'm basically a break-even trader right now, and I really feel like that's kind of where I'm at. But I feel like I'm at the point where I'm starting to figure it out. Getting close. Excuse you. Bless you. So stay tuned. Much love. I appreciate you guys being here. And as always, go chase after your dreams. And if you're in the trading game, man, think about hitting that like button and that subscribe button. It means a lot. And I feel like we're just going to continue to evolve and elevate one another up. And I really care about my community, and I really try to participate in the people that I believe in and the people that believe in me. So thanks a lot. Much love. We're all done.